Okay, here's a walkthrough for a React app I created with a Rails backend. And essentially what this app is doing is interacting with the Rails backend by sending requests to access data and then presenting that data back to the user in a friendly format here. So this app has 4 routes that we can kind of navigate through in this nav bar. And starting off, we have a home route where we can search coffees based on name. So if we typed in the name of a coffee, we could find that coffee within our database. It would bring it back to us in this format here where we can kind of look at the data. Um, we could kind of add the coffee to our favorites list, remove it, add comments. It was great. We could remove comments. We could even delete the coffee if we wanted to, which would send a request to that database and destroy that coffee product. We could also, if we just typed in P, it would search all the coffees that included that letter P. If we just wanted to see the letter O, it would give us back all the coffees. And we can kind of go see all these coffees that contain the letter O in them and look at them and interact with them with this favorites button and by adding comments. So that's what that page does here, that home page. And then if we come to add coffee route, we basically, here we have a form where we can create coffees. Creating coffee July. And basically what this is going to do is just add this coffee to our database. And if we wanted to create another one, another newbie, roast, we could create a couple of coffees and add them to our database through this form. And if we came to this favorites route, we could essentially see all the coffees that we favorited. So if I came here and I put this one in my favorites and came back, we would see that coffee now within this list. And basically, you do the same thing. You can interact with that by removing it or adding it. Basically, you can just add or remove them from your favorites list here, or you could add some comments. Was fantastic, and delete comments here as well. And then you also have the option to delete the entire coffee here. On this last route, we have see all coffees, where we're basically seeing all the coffees that we have created in our list. If we come here to the last page, here's, didn't really spell it right, but here's a coffee that we created. And here's that other coffee that we created. So it's in our database, and we can see it through this by going through these routes. And so yeah, basically we're just going into that database that we have set up and extracting the data and revealing it back to us in a user-friendly format for the user to kind of interact with. And that's essentially what all this app is designed to do. So we have the ability to see coffees, create them, update them, and delete them. And that's it.